A block with a mass of 50 kg hangs on a rope as shown in the figure below. Find the tension along the rope, so ito yun, and the normal force on the surface of the incline. So first step natin is to illustrate the free-body diagram, and this dot will represent our object of interest, which is yung block na nakapatong sa inclined. Okay? So, let's identify the forces acting on the block. So, first, meron tayong normal force. So, the normal force is always perpendicular to the surface of the inclined. And then, we have the tension force. Yung tension force po natin ay pa taas as it supports the block and prevents the block from sliding. And then, we have the gravitational force which is downward. So in this case po, yung ating gravitational force will be divided into its component. We have the horizontal component of the gravitational force and we have the vertical component of the gravitational force. So yung ating horizontal component ng gravitational force, kung mapapansin nyo, it's parallel to the surface of the inclined, and the vertical component of the gravitational force is opposite of the normal force. And then, if we're going to draw another line po, makakabuo po tayo ng tinatawag po natin na rectangular plane. So, in this case, dito sa rectangular plane na to, makikita po natin na meron tayong dalawang right triangle. Okay? So, may nabuo tayong dalawang right triangle. And also dito, kung manonotice po natin, itong side na to, this is a right triangle. Ibig sabihin po, this measures 90 degrees. So, ibig sabihin kung ito po ay 30 degrees, ibig sabihin itong angle dito is 60 degrees. And if you will notice po, right angle naman po itong ating blue line. No, kung right angle po ito, ibig sabihin nagme-measure po yan ng 90 degrees. So kanina na-identify po natin na itong side na ito ay 60 degrees. So kung ito po ay 60 degrees, ibig sabihin ang angle na ito ay 30 degrees. Okay? Or let's just use the principle of similar triangle, na kung ito pong angle na ito ay 30 degrees, ito po ay 30 degrees din. Kung ito po ay 45, ibig sabihin ito 45 degrees din. Now here, let's identify the magnitude of the horizontal component of the gravitational force and the vertical component of the gravitational force. So for the horizontal component of the gravitational force, that is Fg sine theta. Bakit po naging sine theta? Kasi yung angle po ng ating gravitational force with respect to the vertical. Ano po? So, ibig sabihin, ang opposite side niya ay itong side po na ito, which is equal dito sa ating horizontal component. At yung vertical component naman po niya, that is Fg cosine theta, which is the adjacent side of the triangle. Are we clear po? So, ngayon, meron na po tayong illustration ng mga forces na meron doon sa block. So, now, let's calculate the tension or the normal force of the incline. So, let's first kunin natin yung summation of net force along the horizontal. So, again, since the system is at equilibrium or translational equilibrium, hindi siya gumagalaw at rest siya, stationary siya. Again, net force is equal to 0. So, ano-ano ba yung forces na nasa horizontal? In this case, we have two, yung tension force at yung Fg sine theta. So, that is tension minus Fg sine theta is equal to 0. So, yung tension po natin ay positive kasi pataas po yung tension natin. Then, yung ating Fg sine theta naman ay negative kasi pababa po yung ating Fg sine theta. At dahil kukunin ko yung value ng tension force ko, ito pong negative Fg sine theta ay itatranspose ko from left going to right at gagawin ko siyang positive. So in this case, tension is equal to Fg sine theta. And we know that the gravitational force is equal to mg, so we have mg sine theta. So let's plug in the values. The mass of the block is 50 kilogram, then multiplied by acceleration due to gravity na 9.8 meter per second squared times sine 30 degrees. So, ang value po ng ating tension, kapag yan po ay ating kinalculate, tension is equal to 245 Newton. So, next naman, kunin naman natin yung normal force. Okay, yung normal force. So, that is summation of forces along the vertical is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, ano ba yung mga force na nasa vertical natin? Dalawa din. We have normal force minus Fg cosine theta is equal to 0. Yung normal force po natin ay pataas, kaya siya ay positive, at pababa naman yung ating Fg cosine theta, kaya siya negative. So in this case, dahil gusto ko makuha yung aking normal force, itatranspose ko po yung Fg cosine theta from left going to right. So normal force is equal to Fg cosine theta, magiging positive kasi inilipat natin. Again, yung ating gravitational force ay equal sa mg. So we have mg cosine theta, and let's plug in the values. Mass again is equal to 50 kg multiplied by 9.8 meter per second squared multiplied by cosine 30 degrees. Then, kapag kinalculate po natin yan, makukuha po natin na ang volume ng normal force o yung value ng normal force ay equal sa 424.35 Newton.